Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. I'm in our showroom today to discuss blasting some parts. We've got an engine case here, also a water pump cover. Adam Ray from Ray Brothers Racing brought these parts in. I think this is part 2. We've already shown you part 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the VH, probably Weekend Warrior we're going to start with, and then maybe a VH base model, but we'll show you the process of the blasting as well as the end result. So please stay tuned. Hey guys, so before I put this into a vapor honing machine, I wanted to kind of show you the difference if we use the Hydroblast first. It's not going to give you a finish, but what it's going to do is knock a lot of the grease and grime off, which is going to keep your vapor honing machine cleaner. So just stay tuned. This is going to be between 1200 and 1700 psi. It's also going to have a heated substance in here, so it's going to help melt some of that away. Again, just another tip on being able to keep your system cleaner longer. Hey guys, so here we are after we have hydroblasted this part. This part wasn't terribly greasy and grimy to begin with, but it did remove a lot of any kind of loose dirt and things off of this. Again, this is going to be extremely helpful for keeping your vapor honing cabinet cleaner longer. It's also going to be helpful if you use it for post-process, so after you blast your part, using it to get abrasive out of the inside passageways of this part, it's going to be invaluable. It's going to be a great tool to use in your shop. We're going to vapor hone it now. I've gotten this cleaned up. I wanted to show you how beautiful this part looks. This is an engine case. Here's the water pump cover. Again, as you can see, it is a major transformation. You too can have this in your shop. Give me a call today. Let me know what questions you have, what your application needs. My number is 828-220-4967. Thank you so much.